Let us say we have just started a business and we have made a sales of $500. I mean, that is all the money that we have received from our customers by providing them the goods or services. And we have also spent $400 in this business on different things. So the question is, how much money you have actually made? And the answer is, if we deduct all the expenses from this sales value, we can reach at the $100, and that is the value that we have actually earned. Now this value is called profit, and this whole working is represented in a report which is called profit and loss statement. Now what is a profit and loss statement? Profit and loss statement is simply a report showing all the income and all the expenses, and hence we deduct all the expenses from the income to show the net profit, I mean the net earnings of the business. Now one thing I must mention here is that this value of $100 that the business has earned, this value addition of $100 actually belongs to the owners of the business. So let's take a final look. This is how the profit and loss statement looks like. Income minus expenses equals profit. Now as we move forward, we will bring in more formality and more structure in this report, but this is the basic idea of profit and loss statement.